What is going on, everybody? RC Propaganda here, coming at you with another quick video here. Just wanted to show you what I just recently picked up for my Ttx300 radio. A lot of you know this radio comes with the axial rigs and used to come with the armor rigs and also used to come with the axials. So this radio will no longer be coming with those rigs, but if you already have one and you are into making videos, whether it's crawling or bashing, this little piece right here is really sharp. So it just replaces your battery cover on the radio on the bottom, so it mounts in there really sturdy and it seems like it's going to hold really well. It's just a simple 3D printed piece. It's got a little screw here. You can get it with a cell phone mount or a GoPro mount already installed on it. I went with the GoPro because I have this tripod adapter, so you get a 1/4-20, so I could just screw the phone holder in there if I wanted. So you can pick these little pieces up if you want to go with a GoPro. If you want to switch between phone and GoPro, get the GoPro, get that little adapter, then you can run either GoPro or any cell phone that fits in one of these cell phone holders. But it seems like a really stout piece. You can tell by banging on it that when it was printed, the infill density must be really high, seeing how solid it is. I was afraid it wasn't going to be, well made, and it was kind of going to be something very cheap and you have to be careful. I mean, it still can definitely break. It's not something that's very durable by any means, but if you drop your radio without anything on it, I think you might be okay. Or if you put it in a bag, you don't have to be super careful. It's not cheap is kind of the point I want to make. Sometimes I've gotten other 3D printed things in the past and you can tell like they're just not that quality. So no problems there. The name of the company is Luxury RC. I will put some links to where you can buy one in the description. When I bought mine, there's only a couple left. Not sure if he's got any more in stock, but it's definitely worth something picking up at only $19. I mean, it works awesome. So if you use this radio and you like to make videos, this is definitely something that you would be interested in. So I highly recommend it. But that's going to be it for this one. Short and sweet. Just thought I'd share this with everybody so you guys can see what it looks like and how it works. And if you want to pick one up, like I said, the links will be in the description. But that's it for me. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.